Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel Technology Journey. Today I will show you new headphones from Bang & Olufsen. Beoplay H95 with adaptive noise cancellation. This is my first impression, unboxing, and of course first look on these premium headphones. Let's go! The Danish high-end manufacturer Bang & Olufsen celebrate their 95th birthday with special model H95 adaptive active noise cancellation headphones. This is my first look and my first impression. Let's go. What's inside in the box? Just open it and yeah, wow. There is a hard case with headphones, and what is inside of package? Nothing special, just some clothes and yeah, of course paper manuals and tutorials. Okay, it's not interesting, but yeah, this is really interesting. The hard case, you see? Wow. Okay, definitely I think this is the much better than case in AirPods Max or another headphones from Sony or Sennheiser. I like the hard case, especially if you traveling a lot. Okay, what is inside? Wow, this is the new Beoplay from Bang & Olufsen headphones H95. It's foldable mechanism and with premium materials. Oh, it's very light. Okay, amazing. And what's inside in the hard case? Okay, yeah, some necessary equipment like USB-C cable for charging, and of course some dongles for traveling, especially in plane, and jack. Oh, okay, nice. Amazing. Okay, and start with headphones. This is the foldable mechanism. Wow, with premium materials. The first design, oh, I like it. You see the high-end manufacturer with minimalistic design for every day, and I think it doesn't matter if you prefer music, podcast or movies. Okay, and here is aluminum, titanium, lambskin leather, cow-white leather, and of course some fabric. And yeah, the headphones weigh 30 to 3 grams, and I think it's very light and very comfortable. And here is titanium driver with neodymium magnets for up to 38 hours of playback. And I think it's amazing. It's very long. And here it's fabric and magnetic. Okay, and charging time with USB-C cable here, it's just only 2 hours. Of course, there is a jack cable and one button for on and off and LED control. Okay, and adaptive active noise cancellation adjusts according to your environment. For example, if you're traveling or relaxing, there is an adaptive ring here to switch transparency mode or active noise cancellation, or if you want just control your volume up or down. Wow, it's amazing. And I think the headphones are very comfortable, and my first impression of sounds is amazing. Very clear with music or watching movies or some TV show, and I think the Bang & Olufsen have a signature sound, and if you like the previous models, these headphones are definitely for you. On the other hand, of course, there is a price. 800 euro. Wow, it's a huge price. But if you are looking for long-term listening comfort, you can rest assured that you will have it here with Beoplay H95. I think it's a beautiful headphones with combination of mechanical dials and touch control, and the dials for me it's like camera lenses with my very expensive cameras from Canon. Yeah, it's like lenses if you control, for example, some zoom. Wow, amazing. I think it's a beautiful headphones. I think everything is very smoother, and I think maybe these headphones are definitely for you. Okay, if you have some comments, just write me, and of course, like always, it would be my pleasure if you sharing or like it this video, because this is a new headphones from Bang & Olufsen with foldable mechanism, with premium materials, and with amazing sound. Thank you for your watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.